Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to use Mercari coupons in 2025. If you're a fan of scoring great deals on Mercari, this guide will help you save big while shopping or selling. Mercari is that awesome app for buying and selling pre-loved items, and with the latest updates in 2025, using coupons has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Mercari app updated to the 2025 version. This ensures you access all the new coupon features seamlessly. Start by logging into your Mercari account. If you don't have one, signing up is straightforward and free. Once you're in, head over to the Deals or Coupons section, which is prominently featured in the main menu for quick access. Now, browse through the available coupons. In 2025, Mercari offers a variety of options, like percentage discounts, free shipping, or even cashback on purchases. Look for ones that match your shopping needs, and remember to check the expiration dates and any conditions attached, things like minimum purchase amounts or specific item categories. When you're ready to shop, add your desired items to your cart. At checkout, you'll see a field labeled something like Enter Coupon Code. Simply type in the code from the coupon you selected. Watch the magic happen as your total updates with the discount applied. Double-check everything to ensure the coupon works correctly before finalizing your purchase. One pro tip: stack coupons if the policy allows, but always verify with Mercari's guidelines to avoid any issues. If a coupon doesn't work, reach out to Mercari support, they're usually quick to help. And there you have it. Using Mercari coupons in 2025 is a game changer for your wallet. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.